Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about MasterCard, and there is no looking back for this stock from the lows of 2006. Okay, and the fall which the stock has seen in the year 2008 is seems to be very small when you are looking at the overall trend. So from the lows of 2006, the stock has given you a return of 8,700% in the last probably 14 odd years. So this is indeed very strong, and the chart uh, replicates the same thing on the upside. Okay, and as a trend you need to look at these kind of trends which is moving like this, okay, on the upside. Now if you look at the trend, long-term trend of MasterCard, what you can see here is this. So this kind of trend are very simple to understand, though there are some upside and downside. Obviously you can see the same thing on each and every kind of stock, but what you need to understand or look at here is the overall trend first, and what are the important support and resistance level. So the first thing which you need to understand is this. This is your first target or resistance line where the stock currently lies right now, and if the stock moves above this, then we have something like this on the upside. Okay, so I'll not go beyond this. There is one more target on the upside beyond this as well, but for the time being I'll restrict myself to these levels on the upside. On the downside there is one more level which you can consider as your support level. Okay, so here we go, what you can consider. Yes, so this is the support and resistance line which you need to look at. Let me just zoom this chart a bit so that you have your support and resistance line very clear on the upside and the downside as well. Okay, so now you can see how the stock is moving. So this is for long term, and understand this: you have your support at 258 odd dollars on the downside, and if below that we have 233.23 on the downside. Just understand one thing: if the stock falls below 233, then this will be our final stop loss, and there will be no trade after that. Then we will go for a wait and watch mode, and how the stock will react afterwards if the stock falls below $233 odd. And on the upside we have probably $384 as our first target or first resistance, and above that we will probably consider a range, okay, which will in between 450 to 527 odd dollars on the upside. Okay, so this will be the range which we need to look at. If the stock moves above for $384 odd dollars, then this will be the range this will be the target which stock may see probably in the months to come. Understand one thing, that though it's a very strong stock, but the stock is moving very slowly in terms of return. So in other tech companies you have stocks giving very big returns in terms of percentages, but it is not applicable for each and every company. So you need to let your you can say that optimism a bit on the lower side, because you need to go along with the trend and do not estimate or overestimate anything. Even for the stock to reach $500 it will take probably a couple of months, or you can say more than a year or so. so you need to keep your optimism a bit on the downside, okay? But obviously, looking at the trend, it will definitely go on the upside, and the way the stock is moving is indeed showing that there are much more higher levels to come if you are holding for a long period, not for 1 year. I'm probably talking about at least 5 years and more than that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.